Welcome to Joe Woo's Yard Sale Flippers. This is episode number 5 coming at you.
Where we buy your items and flip them for cash.
Where's Gavin? He's supposed to pop out the window.
I'm down here, guys.
What are you doing?
I was a bit late on the jog, but anyways, let's make some money. Oh, hey guys. Before we get started, let's take a look at what we previously did.
The Phillie Phanatic musical collectible sold for $5.99. However, we only had a net profit of 18 cents due to several errors in calculation for the shipping cost by the United States Postal Service. Prior to selling the item, we brought it into the Postal Service, had it measured and weighed, and received a shipping quote. We went online and received the same quote. When we brought the item in for final shipping, we had $3 more in shipping cost, even with the package the same weight and measurements. Therefore, a net profit of 18 cents. The vintage Cabbage Patch doll sold for $12.50. The fur reel Roarin' Tyler the Playful Tiger from Hasbro sold for $19. The Coach purse and wallet set sold for $26. The lot of 12 Sony PlayStation games sold for $13.50. The Avaya 3524 GT phone switch sold for $90, but we paid for some shipping and handling, and that gave us a net profit of $57.01. Our total purchases spent on these items was $5.25. We factored in vehicle gas of $6. Total amount sold $166.99. We have fees of $69.58, which includes paid for shipping by us, which leaves us of a total net profit of $86.16.
Well, good morning. Day number 1 of garage sailing. So it's just going to be Gavin and I today. We are going to bro it up today. Kaylee has not been feeling well. She's had some kind of virus that's been going around school. But as we say, money never sleeps. So let's get the bro team together and let's hit the trail. We got 2 community garage sales that we've hit today.
And that means you two are a winner!
Day number 1, the community garage sale, 2 communities. We got 4 items. Gavin, what do we get?
We got this Star Wars game here.
Star Wars Operation Game for $1. What else?
We got this green purse.
We got a
stripes.
green Dolce & Gabbana purse. Dolce & Gabbana, look at it, here it is, $3. We can get a lot for this, I think. What else?
And then we got this purple bag here.
Got a purple handbag. I looked at the name, I forgot the name already, but we got this for $1. I'm sure we'd probably get 10, 12 for
And
it.
it even got dots on it.
And what else we got, Gavin? What's the last thing we got?
We've got this poop emoji.
All
dot
right,
thing.
we got a poop emoji, just what we need, more shit.
So
50
basically,
cents.
our mom said we can't buy stuffed animals, even though it really is a stuffed animal.
But I will
But
convince her this is not a stuffed animal. This is a poop emoji. This is legendary.
it's
All
just
right.
cube, and it should sell really well. We might put it for at least maybe $2 to $3.
I like how you're thinking. Good job today, buddy. All right, everybody, welcome to day number 2. There's Gavin. There's Kaylee. What's up, Kaylee?
Nada.
She's on her phone again. Kaylee's feeling better from being sick last week. Guess what? We got a special guest here. She doesn't like to be on camera. There's Mama Bear driving. And we're off to a community garage sale. Let's do it. All right, day number 2's haul. I think we got some really cool things. What do we got, guys?
First, we got this blue Nerf gun here.
Blue Nerf gun for $1.
Only has one bullet though. This next one we have a green Nerf gun. And
Green Nerf gun. I like it. $1.
It has 5 bullets.
Awesome. What we got next?
We've got this glass we bought for 25
25 cents. There's actually 4 of them. It's a set. It's a vintage glass, Stoltz and Hudson. Get some good money for it.
Same thing, except it's just a little bit.
Beer glass. It is Blue Moon. We got 2 of these, 25 cents a piece for 50 cents. Not bad. I think we get $8 or $9 online.
Next we got
We got some movies. We got DVDs. We got Invincible, and we got $1 Million Baby. We got each of these for 50 cents total, $1.
we've got a cabbage.
All right, and we got a Cabbage Patch doll for $5, and we've seen this one already online on eBay. This is new in the box from 2006. We actually have seen this for about $40 to $50. And last but not least, what we got?
We've got a Transformer movies.
Transformer DVDs for $2. We got all 3 actual Transformer movies by Michael Bay for $2. We've seen this online for about $10 to $13. So all in all, today we spent a total of $12. Not a bad haul. Today we're going to show you our shipping process and how things work for us.
The shipping process is a great way to provide excellent service.
Yes, it is. And what are we shipping today?
These PlayStation 3 games.
Great. Now, something we do differently than most people is we use what's called resin paper. It's better than newspaper. Newspaper smells and resin paper is clean. It looks elegant. It makes a nice package. And what we also do is we actually also create big labels so it's easy to see. And at the end, what we do is we put a letter and all 3 of us sign it thanking the customer for their business. So now we're going to show you in quick format how we do our shipping.
Cut the resin paper along a straight line to ensure you have enough to fill the box. Next, put the resin paper on top of the box and then begin to fold it in around the edges. This will ensure that when you place your items in there, they won't move around during shipping. Place all of your items in nice and neat, making sure that everything looks great. Once your items are in, fold the resin paper around, and if you need to add more to ensure your items don't move around, add some more resin paper. Sign your letter to give it a nice personal touch. Place your letter and any packing information into the box on top. And finally, seal the box tight with packing tape, doubling or tripling it up to ensure that the box does not open.
And just like that, we have a beautifully wrapped package ready to go. One of the biggest challenges that we've had is our shipping process is unfortunately with our friends at the U.S. Postal Service. Every time we've gone in and have them measure the package or we've measured online, it comes out to a number, and then when we actually get ready to ship it, the number is much higher, in some cases $2 and $3 more, and that's less profit for us. And we're not exactly sure what's happening with that, and we've tried numerous times to figure it out. So now what we're doing is we're trying a new shipping method. So here we are at our new shipping place, the UPS store. And I think it's really important for those of you that ship online to check all different kinds of sources because you never know. Now our friends at the UPS store have actually taken great care of us. They've done so many good things for us, gotten us great prices, and the customer service is excellent. That's what it's about.
Thank you very much.
You know he's out there, right?
I don't get why Gavin likes to scare us.
I got an idea. Let's get him first.
Is it too early for Halloween? Let's make some money.
Let's do it.
What the hell?
Ow!